Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do the Joker in Infinite Craft. So for now, first thing you need to do is we need to add in here water, and let's add another water, and then what you can do is I can actually merge that in order to create a lake right here. So since we already have a lake, let's add another lake in here, and then let's merge those two lakes, and now we have ocean. So the next thing is add earth, and then let's actually merge that earth to ocean, and we have island. Now the next thing is add earth again, and then on this earth right here, let's add in here the island, and now we have a continent. Now since we already have that, let's add another lake right here. Let's put that and merge them together in order to make a US America. So since we already have that, let's add in here another water, then let's add in here an island. And then on this one, let's merge water with the island, and we have ship. Now let's add another island, and then on this island, let's put that on the ship, and we have pirate. So for this pirate, let's add US America, and now we have Captain America. So let's head over again, then add in here US America, or in here you can also just move that around and add this right here, and now we have superhero. So since we already have superhero, the next thing we can do is we can add another Captain America right here. And let's add Earth right here. And then let's add the superhero to the Earth in order to create Superman. And we have these two elements right here for now. So let's add Captain America to Superman, and we have Batman. So for Batman, let's add in here Earth. And we have Gotham. And you can also put in here another Gotham in order to create Gotham, or you can also put in here Batman and Gotham, and now we have Joker. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.